Good morning, students. We continue studying from your book Applied English. Yesterday we were discussing biographical sketch. Two biographical sketch we discussed yesterday. Today we continue next. Open your book Applied English page number 49. In 49 page, first number Rani Lakshmi Bai. We know that Rani Lakshmi Bai was a great freedom fighter of our country. So first we read the information, short incomplete information we read, then we will write in complete sentence. Birth 16 November 1834 in village Varanasi. Childhood name Manikarnika or Manu. Learned horse riding and martial arts. Marriage with Raja Gangadhar Rao. Son gave birth to son 1851. Son died 1853. Husband died soon after the death of his new title Rani of Jhansi. Annexation. Jhansi was annexed by East India Company 1853 under the doctrine of lapse. Defiance. Lakshmi Bai defied this order. Revolt started. Yes. In short group of words, short phrases, short expressions, not complete sentence is given as hint. We have to write the information in complete sentences. Biographical sketch we have to write in complete sentences. So what will we write? I'll speak answer, listen carefully. Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai was a great freedom fighter of our country. Rani Lakshmi Bai was a great freedom fighter of our country. She was born on 16 November 1834 in a village in Varanasi, in Varangi. Her childhood name was Manikarnika or Manu. She learnt horse riding and martial arts in her childhood. She was married to Raja Gangadhar Rao of Jhansi. She gave birth to a son in 1851. But the son died when he was only 2 years old in 1853. Her husband also died. Soon after the death of his son. She was given the title Rani of Jhansi. Then she was given the title Rani of Jhansi. The Jhansi state was annexed. Annexed means seized by force, take by force. The Jhansi state was annexed by East India Company in 1853 under the doctrine of lapse. This is a rule, under the doctrine of lapse. But Rani Lakshmi Bai defied this order. Defied means opposed, challenged. But Rani Lakshmi Bai defied this order. She started revolt in 1857. She fought against Sir Hugh Ross. This brave freedom fighter of our country died on 17 June 1856 while fighting against the Britishers. This way we will write. Second number, R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan was a great Indian writer writing in English. R.K. Narayan was a great Indian writer writing in English. First we see the information. Birth October 10, 1986, Madras. Graduation from Madras College, Mysore, 1930. First job as a clerk. Second job as a school teacher. Writing career. Novels writing. Swami and Friends. Bachelor of Arts. Dark Room. Established good writer. Award. Sahitya Academy Award. Padma Bhushan. Honorary delete by University. Leeds University. Death 13 May. Oh, what will we write? We'll write R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan was one of the most popular Indian writers writing in English. R.K. Narayan was one of the most popular Indian writers writing in English. He was born on October 10, 1906 in Madras. Madras is the old name of Chennai. In Madras. He completed his graduation from Maharaja College, Mysore in 1930. His first job was of a clerk. Then she quit the job and worked as a school teacher. After some time, she quit the job and worked as a school teacher. He started writing novels. His famous novels are Swami and his friends, not father. Swami and his father, published in 1935. The Bachelor of Arts and The Dark Room. These are his famous novels. These novels established him as a good writer. He won Sahitya Academy Award in 1960, Padma Bhushan 1934, and he was honored with honorary D.Litt by University of Leeds in 1967. This great writer of our country died on 13 May 2001. This way we will write. So students, that's all for today. Rest in next class. Thank you.